So now I am taking the cover off and we're going to rivet this cover back together again. Believe that? Maybe. Man, it's going to come. It's just a stubborn devil. I got to get the back side too, though. There we go. Oh, it's the whole... It can't be the whole compressor. Yeah, that devil's riveted right on. Wow, isn't that something? Maybe we're just going to have to fix it where it is then. Oh, that's disappointing. I was hoping to rivet that on there and get it off the back too. That's not going to rivet up so easy. Although it's not broken all the way through. And it's only got... Oh no, it's broken all the way around. Wow, it was evil whatever happened to this thing. There we go. Did you hear that nice pop sound? I can't get the tanks off. And the only thing holding it on here is one... Go underneath here. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then it's the cover. Yeah, it's the cover. You guys don't need to be bored with this. I'll let you know when I get this off. Man, that should just pull off of there. Yep. By Jiminy. There it is. There we go. Holy moly. Good. Now we just have to unattach it from the other side. I'll probably break it putting it back on. Okay, I don't know what I've got taped and what I don't have recorded. But now I've got the engine or the compressor loose. And we can put it back together. With rivets. Hey honey, I got a bad case of rivets. So there, that's going to be a lot easier to work with now. I see.
Because these go into construction sites, they see a heck of a lot of abuse, don't they?
Hey, I'm just going to get some small plates and we're going to just go to town. Okay, stuff like this. You just lay it in there. We'll do the weakest parts first and we'll work our way to the stronger parts. So what do? I've got another one here that's been chewed up already. I think a 1, 2, 3, 4. Right like that. It's not going to take forever and it's not going to be real pretty. Now, I like to pick a flat spot to start. So we're just, and the other plate goes there. So yes, we've got to talk to ourselves too, you know. I have to be mindful of position too. So I'd say right in there would be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's really good. Except our plate goes there. So I'm going to trim just a little bit more off of this guy. Drill! Grab it! I think. Yep. Okie dokie. We are going to do it on the top first. Yep, we're recording this. That's good. Hey, that's good, yeah. And then we place certain items together, said like that. One more rivet. This is gonna, you guys aren't even gonna see these when I'm done, man. Okay, one more hole to drill. Good. Ooply, now I gotta make sure which way it went. That's it. Okay, that's a start, isn't it? And we're just going to carry on like that. Crimpers, crimpers, crimpers. And I've got 2 rivet guns, and this old beater is the one I prefer. Lovely. Okay, now I want to do it again. But now it's getting more difficult because I have to, I am going to just drill one more hole right in the center there. Not in my hand. Perfect. Good, that's all right. Okie dokie. Well, now it's one piece at least, eh? Now we need some more of these guys, but in strips, like right there. But I want to. It's hard because I think I'm just going to go for these 2. I'll turn you off now because you guys know what I'm up to. Okay, we are almost there, my friends. And I guess we should rivet that little panel back on there to make it look official, right? Where did that go? That's right here. I might need one of these washers. If I can reach in and get it, I don't know. Nope. It's gonna have to either grab or not grab. I should have done it when I had the cover off. Oh, it's gonna work. It is just a label after all. It's not gonna hold anything else. So I've learned a little bit about Dewalt compressors. The nice thing about compressors is the parts are quite generic. Okay, now we're gonna just do some tweaking on this base here. Because it was dropped. Oh, that's a shame. I think that's supposed to come out the front. No, no! Yes, it's supposed to come out the front. Okay. No problem at all. Have we got any play in that at all? I really don't want to undo the other side. It was a bugger to do. There we go. Okay. Screws. Assembly. And the other one. I don't know. I don't quite understand how this thing is supposed to go together, but huh. I guess off the side like that. Yep. That's just it. There is kind of a kink in that cable. Right there. I don't like that. Stay. Stay. No, it's not going to stay. Oh, that's not that tight. Should be in there. Well, there we go, guys. Except for making it pretty, that's it. Now what we got to do is wait for this to dry and see if it holds oil. Cool! Might have saved it. Functional is what we're going for here. All right, furnace alert. But we are almost ready to finish this compressor. It's been 5 days since I worked on it, but only 30 seconds for you guys. I've got it cleaned up pretty good. It was covered with spray paint, and I pop riveted the case together the best I could. It's pretty solid now, like, you know, it's usable. Here is the cover now that it's had a chance to dry in the house, nice and warm. I'm not sure. And I think the way this goes, I think this rib, oh, sorry, this rib fits in here like this. It's got an outer and like an outsy. And that fits in there like that. So I think that's a baffle, eh? Now we're going to stick that on there like that, and we've got 4 screws left over. And I'm thinking they're 8 millimeters, but I'm not sure. Hang on. I'll be right there. Oh dear. We need to clean this up a little bit. Boy, that's as ugly as a mud fence, isn't it? And we got to get 6 ounces. Now here it says 40 weight. I don't have it, but I got 30 weight. Premium compressor oil. So this is the... Oh man, I'm so sorry. Okay, now this, the cover's on. You guys missed that? I put it on with the 8 millimeter. I gotta look up when I'm on a mission. I forget about the camera. Now there's my repair, my JB weld repair on that cracked surface. And we're going to put 6 ounces of oil in there. I just got to get something to measure it with. Oh, there we go, 6 ounces. Piece of cake. Funnel. Good. 6 ounces. 8 ounces in a cup, 6 ounces in 3/4 of a cup. Six on the schnozzeroonie. I'm just going to let that sit like that for just a little bit. Be back in a bit, guys. Okay, do we have a leak? I don't think so. Here's the dipstick. Well, it's plugged in and it's ready to go. Now, the last time I tried it up, I actually pressured it up without oil, but I was squirting oil on the rod going around and around, and it pressured up and shut off. And I tried the end style from my air gun, and it leaked. But I've got this is a different, some of them are different, hard to describe. Some of them are different, and some of them are multi-use. So let's just turn this thing on and see if it pressures up, and then we'll try this connector. Quieter. Lovely. Now, the last time I plugged my red air gun into there, it leaked, but that one came from Europe. This is just the run-of-the-mill garden variety cheap one. If this leaks, then I'll just change out the outlet. Yes, it does. All right. So now we're going to drain the air out of this, and I'm going to change this outlet out. Or it's got something stuck in it. We don't know, eh? So let's just get the air out of here. Pliers will do that. This is my brass stuff. I think I've got one of those laying around here somewhere. Okay, so I'm looking for something like that. Maybe. But I don't know if it's going to need a male or a nipple on it or whatever yet. So now we got to make sure there's no air in there. This is the dangerous part of air compressors, eh? Good. Okay, let's see if we can get that off of there. I gotta grab onto it some other place. Those little regulators aren't very tough. I cut my teeth on compressors a long time ago. Well, I guess we could just take it off, eh? Yeah, we can take it off. Oh, it was hardly on there. Isn't that sad? I hope it's not cracked. These are the little disappointments, eh? No, it looks fine. Good. Now we're going to change the size is that. Talking to myself now, guys. Huh. Well, I got to get that off of there. I might have to take the gauge off. Well, let's just... Yeah, there is a flat spot there. And then we take the outlet off. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a male. Oh, it's probably just missing an O-ring, eh? We can put the gauge on afterwards, eh? Okay. All right. It's like plumbing. I'll be back in a bit, guys. Okay. I'm going to turn you off. I just have to put this onto here. This onto here. Right? And then that back onto there like that. Like that. And we'll have her. Okay, my friends. There's the regulator remounted with the new output valve and the old gauge, and it's as tight as I dare make it. This gauge reads 60 at 0, but it does read 120 at 120, so I'm not worried about that right now, although that is the main pressure in the main part of the tank. So anyway, let's just see what it does. It's plugged in. I know we got glare. Oh, we need him. Let's do this. Okay, this is the big test. We're going to take our blow gun and plug it into the outlet. No leak. So isn't that a beautiful thing? Especially when this part right here was unavailable from Dewalt. This part was I could get for 75 bucks, but this part was unavailable and I fixed it. We'll see if it leaks. We'll check it in the morning. And yeah, now I want to just check a couple of things out. So this is, I'll show you the difference. This is a pressured up compressor with a 1/4 inch line. You hear that? Now we're just playing, guys. It's the best part of fooling around. And here we got a 1/2 inch line. You ready? You hear the difference? So if you're having power troubles on your power tools, and that's through a regulator. I don't know if I can plug it into here or not. Yep. Okay. And then over here is without a regulator. Isn't that cool? You guys heard the pitch change, eh? So I think we saved that little compressor. It was destined for either to be parted out or to the landfill. Cool! See when the regulator cuts in. Perfect. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching this one, guys. Cool.